All right. Well, here we are back in Elko. The scenery has changed a tad. It is now snow and wintertime, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, we're headed up to the ranch right now, day 4 of construction. We picking up where we left off. We're gonna start wiring today. So I'm gonna get up there, eat some breakfast, hatch a plan, and then go from there. Whoops, I forgot to film going to Home Depot. Here we are at Home Depot. I picked up the wire and all of the outlets and the switches that I'll need. Kind of blew a bag because I got some GFCI outlet for the shop, and then also I got a couple of outlets that had USBs and stuff like that, so all fancy that we'll be able to plug in. It'll be nice for guests. Anyway, on my way back to the shop, or not shop, on my way back to the ranch right now, and I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, well, we got the wire, we got the outlets, got these fancy, that's the GFCI, it's like a breaker. Got this other one that's got USB ports in it, and then I also got these basic ones that will be more frequent around the bus. The layout in the ceiling, we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 lights on this side, and 1, 2, 3 lights, maybe a 4th. This is where the stovepipe's gonna go because we're gonna put the wood fire stove here. But yeah, we're gonna keep the power station here, and we're reorienting the bed to be lengthwise now. So then we're kind of gonna use this section, this tiny little section here, as like storage for certain things. Probably, I think what we're gonna do is re-envision the bathroom and then keep everything else pretty much how it is. You know, we'll have like storage and stuff like that above the power station, maybe a little nightstand right here where that outlet's gonna be. But yeah, here we are. We're just cutting the wire now. We're gonna start laying out the light system, and see ya in a little bit. Bye. Well, I'm a dang fool. I totally forgot to grab the lights. Needed to go to another store for that, and I just went all the way back to the work site and then tried to do it, and I was like, wait a minute, I need the lights to wire into so that I know where everything goes. I need to know my lengths. Gosh darn it, Wayne. Alrighty then, we're back at it again. Ooh, baby! Alright, anyway, this is technically day 5, but I hardly count yesterday, so we're gonna call it day 4.5. Whoop! Peace. All right, so step 1, it's cold today. We got the heater rolling. We're just gonna screw down the floor fully because it's only kind of just minorly tacked down, and there's a little bit of flex in it right now. So that's what we're gonna start off with today, and then we'll move into wiring. We're kind of moving slow. Today was a rough one, got pulled over on the way. Didn't have my car registered for like the last 7 months. Ended up having to pay a fat fine, fee, whatever. It's fine. It's all right. Part of life. We're moving on. Getting to work. Peace. I'm like super OCD about this too. When I start like screwing stuff down, I always point every screw in my hand in the same direction. And it's always outward, out the top of my hand actually. And so like technically they're all pointing up, but I hold my hand down like this and I just go bzz, 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 screw like a speed reloader. But yeah, get them all oriented the same way, out of chaos. But we're gonna keep screwing this floor down. Was essentially how much wire, give or take, I'm gonna overshoot it by a significant amount. How much wire it's gonna take to go from here, back where the power station will be, all the way up the wall to the ceiling, across, down to the light fixtures, down all the way to the bus, then across, and then down this wall to a light switch. It's over 400 inches. It was too big for the tape measure. So I am just going to run back and forth the length of the bus with the wire that's on that spool. And hopefully that will just be a significant amount and way over. Well, with the wiring prepped, we are on our way to go and pick up the walls. My plan is to essentially overshoot the wire by a significant margin, put the wire in the walls, and then we'll just pull the wire through when we want to wire it and then shorten it when we need to. See you guys in a bit. Alrighty, well, we got my walls and ceiling and all the insulation inside the bus, so we're kind of hanging out, hatching a plan. Really, I'm just going to run the wire behind the walls, put the wall up. Same thing on the other side. Checking out early. I mean, it's like been a short day as always. We're not getting too much done on day 4 and 5, so we'll probably combine that in one episode. But yeah, anyway, see ya. All right, we Audi 5000 now. Yeah, we got everything prepped. We're ready to go for tomorrow. Walls are going in, wiring's going in. It's gonna be a monumental, I won't mess it up that time. Monumental day, and I am super excited. Anyway, see you guys later. We're Audi. We're actually beating my dad out of the work site today, so I'm not gonna be shutting the gate. Lucky me. Peace.